to the Pond's White Beauty Eclectic Model Hunt 2010. This year, as on previous years, we have an enchanting evening prepared for you. So without further ado, I would like to invite the chief guest, the Governor of Meghalaya, His Excellency, Shri Ranjit Shekhar Mushahari, the Governor of Meghalaya. Selected for the Indian Police Service in 1967, he has the distinction of being the first Borough IPS officer and the first man from the Northeast to hold the position of Director General in the Central Police Organizations. Indeed, he was DGP in Kerala, DG of the National Security Guard, and DG of the Border Security Force, a post from which he retired in February 2006. He assumed the office of Governor of Meghalaya on 1st of July 2008. Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed an honor to have His Excellency Shri Ranjit Shekhar Mushahari, the Governor of Meghalaya, amidst us today. Sir, I kindly ask you and request you to come to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me now to introduce our guest of honor for the evening, presently posted as Principal Secretary to the Government of Assam. Shri Kumar Sanjay Krishna, IAS, has worked in the Prime Minister's office in the Ministry of Finance of the Government of India and was also posted in New York in 2001. Involved in a number of socio-cultural and sports organizations in Assam and in Delhi, it brings me great pleasure to also welcome Shri Kumar Sanjay Krishna to the dais. Sir, kindly come up to the stage. May I now request the chief guest and the guest of honor to kindly light the ceremonial lamp. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we do have a wonderful evening packed for you today. And we hope that you will enjoy it as much as we've put the effort in. Now with the lighting of the lamp, after that we can begin the show. Thank you, sir. I request you to take your seats and enjoy the rest of the evening. So, ladies and gentlemen, with the lamp lit, the show has officially begun. Before I take your leave, I'll hand you over to the first MC for the evening, the lovely Pommy Borua, who will take you through the entire evening. So it's bye-bye from me now. Do sit back, relax, and enjoy the Pond's White Beauty The Eclectic Model Hunt 2010. Thank you.
Hello, Guwahati. A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome all of you to a beautiful evening of charm, skills, and glamour. For the next couple of hours, you will be part of one of the most prestigious beauty pageants of the Northeast, the Pond's White Beauty Eclectic Model Hunt 2010. The stage is set, the ball has already rolled, and we are all ready. Are we or aren't we? Can we hear some A's? Okay, anyway, without further ado, we'll begin the show. Please join me in welcoming the Managing Editor of Eclectic Publications, Tanushri Hazarika, who will say a few words and give us our esteemed judges for the evening. Thank you. So here's Tanushri Hazarika for you.
Namaskar. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's a real honor to welcome you all to Pond's White Beauty Eclectic Model Hunt 2010. We really thank you for taking the time out to be here with us this evening. Also, my very special thanks to the chief guest of our show, His Excellency Ranjit Shekhar Musahari, and guest of honor Kumar Sanjay Krishna for gracing the occasion with their presence. It is only with everyone's encouragement that we have been able to bring this pageant to you for 3 consecutive years now. And we really appreciate Pond's White Beauty for joining hands with us for yet another spectacular show. I know everyone's really enthusiastic for the show to begin. Let me tell you, we are all equally excited to present this evening to you. My team and I have worked quite hard to put this event together for more than 4 months now, and this show is very close to all our hearts. We have shortlisted 19 contestants to showcase their talent for today's show. Like I always say, beauty is not the only factor. We groom our girls to be classy, confident, and chic ladies. We have taken special care to put together the best of faculty to train our contestants in areas like personality development, communication, poise, etiquettes, etc. The idea of the model hunt sprung from the need to find fresh cover faces for our magazine. Eventually, it blossomed into a platform to encourage the young, aspiring girls of Northeast. Most of you must be already aware the Eclectic Group brings out 2 publications every month. One is Eclectic Times, highlighting people, life, and more from Northeast. And the other one is Eclectic Vibes, which focuses on music and entertainment, an initiative to reach out to our youth in their language. The terrific response from our readers and associates have encouraged us to move on and on with our work. So now, without taking much more time, I would like to introduce you now to our esteemed panel of judges.
Thank you. The first judge of the evening, Mrs. Molaya Goswami.
Mrs. Molaya Goswami, she is a national award winner for her stellar performance in the 1992 film Firingoti. She is a celebrated name in the Assamese film fraternity. She is a multifaceted personality who has successfully contributed in more than 40 plays on All India Radio, stage performances in over 30 shows, various genres on television and successful feature films. Apart from this, she has also done noteworthy social work and is the founder secretary of a social culture organization, Orpita, founded to help women and children in distress. A selection grade lecturer in the Department of Education at Jagirod College, Mrs. Goswami is truly an exemplary figure.
May I now call upon stage Mrs. Bibha Hazarika, Director, Eclectic Publications, to kindly felicitate the judges. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Mr. Dhruva Hazarika, our second judge of the evening.
Mr. Dhruva Hazarika, he is a distinguished writer who has authored two fictions, Luck and A Bowstring Winter, published under the celebrated brand Penguin Books. A founder member of Northeast Writers Forum, he has been pivotal in highlighting some of the best in the literary world from this region. We also know him as the Joint Secretary, General Administration Department, Governor of Assam.
Our next judge of the evening, the glamorous Miss Dipanita Sharma Atwal.
Let's all welcome Dipanita, who has joined us all the way from Bombay just for this show. A supermodel by choice and an actress at will, she is a well-known name in television as the beautiful host of many shows. She has been judging many fashion contests on TV as well as live. We know her from popular commercials with the likes of Shah Rukh Khan and Rahul Khanna, with a lineage of successful